So Trump wants the US to acquire Bitcoin for its reserve using budget-neutral strategies. But what does that mean? In case you didn't already know, on Thursday, Trump signed an executive order effectively declaring Bitcoin in US possession from seizures and forfeitures reserve assets. At the same time, the order authorized the Secretary of the Treasury and the Secretary of Commerce to explore budget-neutral strategies to acquire more Bitcoin for the reserve. The condition appears to be a compromise that opens the door for the US government to actively buy Bitcoin, something that Bitcoiners have long advocated for, as it could boost asset prices, while also ensuring that it comes at no cost to American citizens to eliminate backlash. But what will it entail in practice? One idea suggests that the answer could lie in the re-evaluation of another US reserve asset. Specifically, some have suggested that one way the US government could acquire more Bitcoin without earmarking it in its budget would be to sell its gold reserves. This, however, could be a tough sell, especially if gold market participants have anything to say about it. Another option is to engage in Bitcoin mining. Theoretically, the US government could allocate underutilized energy and computer resources to the mining of Bitcoin. This is a strategy that the Kingdom of Bhutan has successfully employed since 2019, leveraging its abundant water resources. Whether the US will be able to replicate this, however, remains to be seen, especially as Bitcoin mining remains a polarizing topic in the country. So what could be the alternative? One idea I think the US could seriously consider is bonds. So bonds are investments where individuals loan money to corporations or governments for regular interest payments. Simply put, the US government could raise capital to acquire more Bitcoin by issuing bonds, offering investors interest payments or Bitcoin yield. This is an idea that has been floated by Jantri CEO Samson Mao after hints from strategy chairman Michael Saylor. For those who do not know, Saylor has employed this same tactic with significant success at his firm to accumulate nearly 500,000 Bitcoins worth over $44 billion at the time of making this video. Interestingly, Saylor was one of the attendees at the White House Crypto Summit held on Friday, March 7th.